you ready to learn how to create stunning knotless goddess braids? In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to achieve this look using 3x 40-inch pre-stretched Kanekalon fiber braiding hair and super wave bulk human hair. First, prep your braiding hair by sectioning out 3x braiding hair into small pieces and place them on your braiding rack for easy and quick installation. Now, section out your natural hair into desired square sections using a rat tail comb. It's important to keep your squares the same size and your lines straight. Apply styling conditioning gel to the roots of each parted section and comb through to help smooth and shape each section. This will serve as a holding agent for your braids. Time to start braiding. Braid your natural hair down an inch, then start feeding in your 3x 40 braiding hair. Now let's add super wave bulk human hair to get the goddess look. The placement of this depends on your preference, but we recommend feeding in the super wave bulk human hair and continuing to braid an inch down before clipping that section up and away. Next, add your 3x braiding hair and repeat by placing your super wave bulk human hair 5 inches below the first one or as desired. Finally, apply hair mousse to the braids from root to tip, in order to provide them with extra hold and to curl your super wave bulk human hair. And there you have it. Follow these simple steps to achieve the knotless goddess braids look with ease.